Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. Unboxing Mac Mini 2024 24GB RAM and 256GB SSD. The 2024 Mac Mini is a compact and powerful desktop computer featuring Apple's M4 chip, a configuration with 24GB of unified memory, and a 256GB SSD offers a balance between performance and storage capacity. Key specifications: processor, Apple M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, delivering efficient performance for multitasking and creative applications. Memory: 24GB of unified memory, providing ample capacity for demanding tasks and smooth multitasking. Storage: 256GB SSD, offering fast data access and quick system boot times. Design: the 2024 Mac Mini features a redesigned, more compact chassis, measuring 5x 2 inches, making it Apple's smallest computer to date. Connectivity: equipped with multiple ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet, facilitating versatile connectivity options. Display support: capable of supporting up to 3 external displays, accommodating various professional and creative workflows. Performance: the M4 chip enhances the Mac Mini's performance, making it suitable for tasks such as video editing, music production, and software development. The 24GB unified memory configuration ensures efficient handling of memory-intensive applications, contributing to a seamless user experience. Considerations: when selecting this configuration, consider your storage needs. The 256GB SSD provides limited space, which may fill up quickly with large files or applications. If you anticipate requiring more storage, consider configurations with larger SSD capacities or plan to use external storage solutions. Pricing: as of December 2024, the Mac Mini with M4 chip starts at $599 for the base model. Configurations with additional memory and storage are available at higher price points. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.